Hopkins, and I have the privilege of serving as LaSalle College Preparatory's Director of Admissions. I am so excited that you've decided to join us for our 2022 Open House. At this event, you can expect to meet our faculty, staff, and coaches, explore our campus, and learn more about what our programs have to offer. I hope that you enjoy your time here, and I look forward to meeting you.
Hello, welcome to LaSalle College Preparatory. My name is Jamal Adams, and I am the proud principal of this esteemed institution. It's really my honor to welcome you here for Open House. In a lot of ways, LaSalle is positioned to make sure that we help our young people be the best they possibly can be by giving them a really enriched, authentic academic experience that spans all types of different disciplines and allows them to be critical thinkers. We hope that we are preparing them for life after our school, where industry changes and their opportunities to have work and careers are in spaces that they know now, as well as in careers that we can't even imagine right now. We couple that with a really robust co-curricular opportunity that spans athletics, the arts, drama, music, as well as many of our academic teams that travel the world and compete in many different spectrums. Our young people are engaged, they're involved, and they're out in the world. And the third part, maybe the most important part, is that we really lean on our Lasallian Catholic faith. This faith gives us a moral compass to help young people really look at the world, their place in it, how to engage others, to think about the idea that their destinies are tied together to all the humanity that they encounter. So they learn how to integrate with people that may look differently than them, speak different languages than them, maybe even practice a different faith. But know that when it all comes together, that we're trying to do God's will and really build the beloved community. I hope you enjoy your time here with us, and we look forward to you joining us in the fall of 2023.
Hello, my name is Perry Martin, and I'm going to be the first to welcome you to Open House this year. There's so many great things happening at LaSalle this year, from a strategic plan that has vision and new things in it to make personalized learning come alive. The second thing is our new Center for Medical Innovation for those students that want to connect their regular education to a career in the next 20 years. Lots of great things going on here, and there's something for everybody. So I would like to welcome you, and looking forward to meeting you.